Happy good morning!
Good morning!
Hey Sunny, today I'm going to show you how I made a quilted pansy origami card for my mom for Mother's Day. She loves quilts and pansies, so we're going to put them together and make a beautiful card for her.
Yay! Let's get started!
Let's start with our paper sizes and colors. I'm using cardstock and not typical origami paper. For our smallest piece, we'll measure 5 millimeters all the way around the square. Next, we'll score each corner and then fold our corners inward using tweezers for extra help. For our second piece, we'll do the same thing we did in step 1, only we're going to measure 1 centimeter around on each corner. We'll also make a 1 centimeter cut in the bottom center. Fold the inside flaps back at a 90-degree angle. Your second piece should look like this. Our third pansy piece will begin by folding our paper in half widthwise. Because I'm using cardstock, I need a hard card or a bone folder to help me with all my creases and folds. Mark your center and then measure out 1 and 2 centimeter marks on each side of the center line. Make the same marks on the bottom and score the 4 lines. Start on the left-hand side. Fold over the line closest to the center. Now fold the outside line backwards. Do the same to the right-hand side, being sure to smooth and flatten as you go. Your paper should now look like this. Flip your pansy piece over to the back side and begin measuring 1 centimeter marks around each corner. Now score the 4 corners. After folding each corner inward, measure 2 centimeters down in the middle line from the top. Cut and fold the pieces inward at a 90-degree angle. Finally, fold both tips downward to help round the points a bit. When you're done, it should look like this. Our fourth step will look very similar to step 3. Fold in half. Mark 1 centimeter and 2 centimeter lines out from the middle line. Score the 4 lines, and then fold inwards and backwards just like we did last time. Did you guess that we'd mark 1 centimeters around each corner? Boy, you're sure getting the hang of this. Remember to score the corners and fold them inwards. Mark 2 centimeters down the middle, make your cuts, and fold the flaps inward at a 90-degree angle. You know the drill. When completed, your paper should look like this. Step 5 is our middle paper, and the folding will look similar at first, but don't get too far ahead here because we're going to make some changes. This time we're measuring 1.5 centimeters on the top side only. Measure and cut 2 centimeters down on the top and make those folds first. Now fold over our 1.5 centimeter marks at a 90-degree angle. Finally, use tweezers to help you bend the points. Next, we'll measure 1.5 centimeters from the bottom along the inside folds. Cut at an angle from the corner to your 1.5 centimeter mark. Next, fold your top cut and line up the edge along the middle fold. Then tuck the papers under the existing top folds. Let's do the same thing on the other side.
It kind of looks like a little bow right now.
Yeah, it does. It looks pretty cute just like this, but we still have a couple more steps to go before we're done. Now fold the corner tip to the middle space towards the inside fold. Let's do the same on the left-hand side. Finally, we'll round off our sharp edges by folding them backwards. Cut a small slit at the bottom middle and fold the two flaps inwards at a 90-degree angle. Time to put our origami pansy pieces together. I made 4 other types of colorful pansy flowers. Now let's make some quilt blocks to plant our beautiful blooms. I'm using a green leaf pattern paper. I'm making 3 blocks with the pattern going vertically and 2 blocks with the pattern going horizontally. Next, we'll cut and fold 4 strips of paper. These will become hinges and help us attach our quilt blocks together. To assemble the card, you can use craft glue, scrapbook adhesive, foam squares, or a glue gun. To attach my quilt block paper pieces together, I'm using photo squares. Notice they are placed as close to the edge as possible and one in the middle. To attach the pansy origami pieces, I'm using a glue gun. I like that it's faster for the glue to dry because I'm way too impatient. I just can't wait to see how this card turns out. And it also helps to add to the 3D effect of the flower petals. Remember to glue all 4 edges and gently press down while you wait for the glue to dry. This is what it should look like when it's all finished. Because I want the card to resemble a quilt block, I'm going to outline the edges with small dashes to represent sewing machine stitches. To assemble the card, you'll need to have your first hinge facing up like a mountain peak. Begin by gluing one side of the hinge to the card you want facing out. This will be the first flower you see when you open the card. Now glue along the hinge and attach the second card. Make sure you squeeze and press firmly to secure. This is what it should look like when you open and close the card. To add the third pansy block, your hinge needs to be in a valley or V-shaped position. Glue one side of the hinge at a time and again press firmly to secure. Always check your card to make sure it opens and closes properly before moving on. Attach the fourth card by making sure your hinge is facing up like a mountain. Remember to glue one side at a time and check your folds before the glue gets too dry. The last card will be attached with the hinge in a V or valley position. Continue the same gluing pattern as before and be sure all folds work properly. That's it, you're all done.
It's so beautiful!
Thanks, Sunny! I hope you enjoyed making these cards as much as I did. Let me know in the comments what kind of cards you want to see me make next. Be sure to check out these other cards I made for Mother's Day too. You can find their links in my cards playlist and also linked down below. I hope you have a sweet, charming day, and I'll see you again next time for more amazing craft ideas.
Happy crafting!
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. 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 Today's gonna be a good day.